at your own pace when you're ready. Inhale, like a wave, lift your heels high through your spine, shift forward into high plank. Exhale, bring your knees down, tabletop to cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Few more rounds on your own. You may want to hold longer in cow or cat. Maybe add some extra moves. And at your own pace, make your way into downward facing dog. Maybe add few spinal waves in tabletop or down dog, your choice. I like spinal waves because it aligns my whole body. Inhale, lift your right foot high to the sky. Exhale, step it through, lizard lunge. Lunge onto your right foot and just rock forward and back a few times. Maybe come onto your elbows to deepen your hip opener. Continue rocking side to side or forward and back. Slowly come up onto your left knee. Maybe bend your right elbow, coming into half bind or full bind by connecting your hands together. I also like to extend my right arm to the sky, gazing up to challenge my balance. You can also switch your hand, maybe reach for your back foot with both hands. You've got many variations. Leaning backwards to add some back bend. If you are new to back bends, be sure to check out my channel where I offer step-by-step back bend tutorials. Slowly, on your exhale, release your foot down. Inhale, extend your front leg for half split. Exhale, gaze forward. Inhale, extend. Exhale, lunge. Skandasana on your next breath. Lunge to your right side as you press your right hand down. Lengthen through your left arm and maybe find a bind. Just like in the previous pose, you can experiment with your arm variations in side lunge. Inhale, reach your right foot up to the sky. Exhale, switch your leg. Left foot lifts, step it through, lizard lunge. Rocking forward and back. Variation to come onto your elbows. I like to keep it dynamic just to release any tension, any stiffness. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Reach for your back foot, extending your right arm to the sky, transitioning into half or full bind. Maybe switch your hand. Maybe reach for your back foot with both hands. Just experiment on the opposite side of your body, being patient with the process, and be sure to pay attention to your breaths. Let your breaths to guide you through this process. Holding here for a few more breaths. Exhale, release your foot down. Extend your front leg as you inhale. Exhale, lunge forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step forward. Skandasana to your left side. Reach your right arm high to the sky. Look up. Exhale, find your favorite variation. Half or full bind. Be sure to engage your core to lift your chest up. When ready, inhale, bring your both palms down, three-legged dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Reset. Back to spinal waves if you feel so, or simply run through your vinyasa. Inhale, right foot lifts. Exhale, step it through. Lizard lunge. place your both hands over your front shin. Inhale, reach your chin bone up to the sky. Exhale, drop your head back and down to stretch your neck. This is your opportunity to explore your arm variations. I like to reach my arms to the sky or move in space, adding few cow cat, spinal waves in half pigeon. Continue deep breaths as you explore your variation. Maybe twist to one side, the opposite side, holding longer on one side. This is your opportunity to explore your king pigeon pose. Both hands by your sides or walk them back. Swing side to side. Maybe lowering down onto your elbows if you're ready for this variation. Be sure to avoid any knee discomfort. Listen to your body. You can also walk your hands forward, resting your elbows over your front shin or resting your forehead over a block or two. A twist. Rest your left heel over your right knee. Inhale, right arm reaches up, gaze up. Exhale, twist to your left. Look back through your left shoulder. Inhale, right arm goes up. Exhale, twist to your opposite direction. Look to your opposite side. Inhale, bring your palms down to the ground. Make your way back into downward facing dog. Shake off your leg and switch side. Inhale, left foot lifts up. Exhale, bring your foot forward for half pigeon at all times. This way it's safer on your joints. And take an opportunity to explore back bend variations on this side of your body. Pay attention to your sensations. If you feel discomfort in your knee, try a simpler variation. Otherwise, keep exploring your edges, adding few spinal waves, twists, and using the opportunity to come into king pigeon on your right side. Try moving side to side to release any tension. Maybe move your hands forward. Keep lifting your chest up. Rest your elbows or your forehead over a block or two. Maybe hold in stillness. Enjoy a few more breaths in a forward fold variation. At your own pace, inhale, rise up. Come into a seated twist. Right heel goes in front of your left knee. Inhale, left arm goes up. Exhale, twist to your left. Or rather right. Holding here, inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist to your opposite side. Inhale, bring your both palms down. Back to three-legged dog. Shake it off. Reset your body. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a moment to walk your feet and walk your hands backwards, coming into another variation of hip opener, malasana, or garland pose. Point your toes out and press your knees out as you sway left to right. Explore new variations here. Maybe bring your palms behind your heels, elbows in front of your shins. Maybe bow forward. Transitioning to forward fold with your arms extended. Interlace your fingers behind your spine and slowly bring your hips up to the sky. Swing side to side. Toe heel your feet together. Forward fold. Arm extension here. Deep breaths. Inhale, reach your chest up. Halfway lift.